Now we're ready to begin. So let's have a look through our cosminoculars and find out who we're meeting today. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Ooh, look at those shapes and the colours all spinning around. Oh, so pretty. Oh, can you see the picture? It's a rabbit. It's Rocky the rabbit. What's Rocky doing? She's doing yoga. She's doing extended hand to big toe pose. Oh, and who's that? It's Buttons the monkey trying to blow her down. Cheeky monkey. Oh, Rocky's doing great job there. She's staying so calm and steady. Lowering our hands. How exciting. A story about Rocky the rabbit and a cheeky monkey called Buttons. Well, let's begin in our Rocky the rabbit pose. Coming to sit on our heels, we fold all the way forwards and we crisscross our fingers behind our back. Now we lift our arms all the way up over our heads to make our two long rabbity ears. Very good, everyone. Now, Rocky the rabbit lives in a little triangle-shaped house in the countryside. Coming all the way back up to sit, we bring our hands in front of us and come to all fours. We tuck our toes and we press our hips up to the sky, coming into our dog pose, which is just the same shape as Rocky's house. Now Rocky bunny hops all around her lovely garden every day to look after it. Let's do some bunny hops. We walk our feet in a little bit, making our arms nice and straight. Then after 3, we do a little hop, bending our knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. And again. 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Very good. Now, after working in her garden, Rocky likes to take a break, sitting in a sunny spot on a garden chair. Let's walk our hands all the way back, bend our knees and sweep our arms up to the sky, coming into our chair pose. She likes to have a little snack, one of her favourite homegrown carrots. Coming all the way up to stand with our feet together, arms by our side in our carrot pose. Can we do a carroty grin? Very good, everyone. Oh, what a delicious carrot a homegrown carrot is. Rubbing a hand on our tummies and patting our heads at the same time. And after working hard all day, little Rocky the rabbit loves to go to bed. Let's do our bed pose. Sitting on our bottoms, knees bent, feet flat, hands behind us, we lift up our hips, coming into our bed pose. She snuggles down into her cosy bed, her little rabbity legs long and arms long as well. And when her head hits the pillow, she's out like a light. In the morning, Rocky's eyes flutter open and she stretches and yawns. She comes up to sit, ready for a new day. Now, she heads out into the garden to pick some fruit for breakfast. Let's use our gate pose to open the little garden gate. Coming up onto 2 knees, everybody. We take our leg to the side, our arm to the sky, and we open up the gate. She closes the gate behind her, coming back to 2 knees, leg to the other side, arm to the sky, and closing the gate. Ooh. But the garden is looking a bit different. It's looking not how she left it. Coming to squat, everyone, taking our knees wide and using our little rabbit paws for balance. Looking around, Rocky sees lots of empty candy wrappers. She picks one up. And lots of plastic bottles and banana skins. Lifting up our hands, coming to balance. Look, there's lots of them winding down the garden path, leading to a big pile at the bottom of the tree. Let's come up to stand, everyone, and do our tree pose. Bringing one foot on top of the other, using our heel, we bring our hands together at our hearts. Now we grow up nice and tall, coming up into our tree pose, maybe opening those beautiful branches wide. Now I wonder, how strong are you trees today? You stay tall and strong. I'm going to come and try and blow you down. Here I come. Doopy doopy dee doo. Look at you! You are super strong, just like Rocky the rabbit. Well, I wonder who's throwing these wrappers down from that tree. Let's have a go at our tree pose on the other side, bringing our other foot on top now, using our heel, hands together at our hearts. We grow up nice and tall. Open those branches wide. As Rocky thinks about who might be up that tree, another wrapper flutters and floats all the way down to the ground. Only one way to find out. Let's climb up. Here we go. Up we go, 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 up we go. There, lounging lazily on the branch is none other than that cheeky monkey, Buttons. Let's lounge lazily, like Buttons is, coming to lie on our sides, everyone. Now we use our hand to support our heads and make our legs nice and long, and use our other hand for support in front of us. Now in front of Buttons is a big pile of candies and sweeties. He uses his toes to pick up a candy, lifts it up, flicks it into his mouth, and then he kicks the wrapper off onto the ground. Buttons the monkey! Well, I never. Rocky the rabbit comes into a squat position and she balances with her little paws on her rabbity hips. She says to Buttons, excuse me, please don't throw your litter on the ground. It's not very good for the garden. I work very hard to look after this place. Buttons is so shocked at seeing Rocky that he does a big monkey jump. Bringing our hands in front of us, after 3, let's do a big jump in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! And in his haste to run away, he gets tangled up in all the vines of the tree. Coming up to stand, let's do our very tangly eagle pose. We cross one leg over the other, using our toes for balance. Arms wide, we scissor our arms and we wave with our underneath arm. Hello! Then we twizzle them round and bow down, bending our knees in our tangly eagle pose. Oh dear, Buttons! Rocky stands nice and tall and she asks Buttons a question, a very reasonable question. Why do you throw your candy wrappers on the ground? Why can't you take your litter with you? Buttons is still in a tangle. Let's do our eagle pose on the other side. Crossing our other leg now, arms wide. We scissor our arms, wave with our underneath arm and twizzle them round again. He bends deep and bows forwards, hanging his head in shame. Rocky is right. Buttons wasn't even thinking about his candy wrappers, but seeing them now all over the ground, he sees what a naughty mess they make. Oh dear. Feeling sorry for Buttons, Rocky untangles him from the vines, unravelling our arms and unravelling our legs. On the ground, Buttons gets to work, clearing up all his litter. And Rocky bunny hops about in her garden, pottering, tidying it up. Let's do some more of those bunny hops. Coming to crouch, up on our tippy toes, hands in front of us, lifting our hips. After 3, little hop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. And again. 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Very good. After they finish their work, Rocky invites Buttons to come and sit on a lovely chair with her. Let's do our chair pose again. Coming up to stand, our feet hip distance apart, we bend our knees and we sweep our arms all the way up to the sky in our chair pose. They each enjoy a carrot. Buttons brings his arms down and he looks around. He notices how beautiful this garden is, how beautiful the forest is, and in fact, how beautiful the whole planet is. So he makes a promise to always take his litter with him and not throw it away on the ground anymore. He wants this planet to stay beautiful, so he will do his bit to look after our wonderful world. Let's take a moment now to relax. Come to lie on our backs, with our arms and legs nice and long. We take a nice deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Let's imagine that we're lying in Rocky's beautiful garden. We can hear the birds tweeting, feel a lovely breeze and the warm sunshine on our faces. What a wonderful place, so peaceful. Rocky pours so much love into this garden. It makes it a very precious and magical place. And Buttons is a good monkey at heart. He just needed to learn that littering isn't a very nice thing to do. And that, in fact, if we have any litter, we should always take it with us and throw it away in the bin or the trash properly. Everything we leave behind has an impact on the world. So to look after our planet, we need to treat it kindly. Slowly now, we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes and wiggling our fingers, hugging our knees into our chest, giving them a kiss, and rolling onto our sides, opening our eyes, coming to sit with our legs crossed. And we finish just the way we started, with our hands together at our hearts and our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There, well done everyone. You were amazing in the Rocky the Rabbit and Buttons the Litterbug Monkey story. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.